What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Really hope at some point this thing will be used again this year for 2025 exactly because one thing I hope at some point this thing will be used again at some point this year for 2025 exactly which it will get used at some point, but I don't know, so I hope at some point this thing will get used again some point this year for 2025 exactly because like I said, it was used since last month, okay? It was used since last month and that hasn't been used since ever since time a little bit because well I mean you think about how he was using this machine like this exactly because this is a pretty nice looking machine right here. And you can see how much they expected this thing exactly because you can see how much they expected this thing exactly, which is not it's not too terrible in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this thing exactly, you can see how much expected this thing exactly, which I really hope some point this thing will get used again some point this year for 2025 exactly, which it will. I mean, it will get used again at some point this year because you can see how much expected this thing exactly, which is, I mean, which we expected this thing exactly because you see how much of it expected this thing exactly, which I really hope some point this thing will get used again at some point. But you don't know how expected this thing exactly, which I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year. Which I promise you this thing will get used this year. I promise you this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used at some point, but this is a pretty nice looking picture for GTA 26. I hope this thing will get used this year for 2025.